Managing materials for design projects can be a hassle. Lost notes, miscommunication, and delays in getting what you need. Introducing Cut Lists, the app that simplifies how students and teachers manage design projects. Students can enter their requirements, whether it's a material request or a data file for rapid prototyping. With a few taps, requests are sent directly to teachers or technicians, ensuring a smooth workflow in the classroom. Technicians can manage stock, track requests, and keep everything running smoothly, all in one place. When the cut list is complete, students receive an instant notification on their mobile device. And if there's a question or issue, our safeguarding compliant chat makes communication easy and secure. Cut Lists is available as a web app, allowing seamless transitions between portfolios and project management. Students can even export their cut lists for portfolios, showcasing their work in a professional format. Empower your classroom with Cut Lists, the smarter way to manage design projects.